product update. I've had the grill for 2.5 months now, and I have to honestly say it's been a unique cooking experience from the day I unboxed it. Now, I did get a chance to go up to Oklahoma and test out one of the production models before it had been released to the public, and that experience was unique in itself in a couple of ways. One, I've never cooked on stainless. I don't think a lot of people can say that they've cooked on stainless or something that was designed to be cooked on that is made out of stainless steel. It just provides a unique cooking experience. Food has different textures than you would traditionally get on a grill. Flavors are different because you're, cooking at temperatures that you normally wouldn't get on a cooking vessel in outdoor equipment. It really provides just overall great flavor into the products that you're cooking. I've cooked steak, I've cooked scallops, I've cooked vegetables. I've cooked a variety of different things that just to test the waters to see how it would do, and each time I've been thoroughly pleased with the outcome. Steaks have to be a highlight of mine. If you've ever had steaks cooked in a cast iron skillet before, you know that some people would say that's the epitome of cooking a steak, cast iron skillets. You're not going to get that texture or that flavor cooking on a grill. It's really hard to achieve. Not anymore. This grill, just based on the design, how it's made, it has such high surface area that it almost simulates as if you're cooking on a cast iron skillet. And because of the stainless steel, it holds heat and it takes in heat so quick. So getting that sear that you need, it's almost necessary for steaks, no problem. Because you're cooking it quickly, you don't result in drying out. You typically, if you cook something on a grill, charcoal for that matter, if you don't have enough charcoal, you're not going to get the heat. You're not going to get the steak that you're wanting or craving. This does the job. It gets hot quick. It sears things fast, providing you the flavor that you're looking for, all while still maintaining, that outdoor cooking experience. Because the grill grates are so wide, I've noticed that you actually cook in its own fat. You're going to cook, if you're cooking steaks, the steak's going to render that fat, and you're going to cook in its own fat, which that's flavor. Fat is flavor. Scallops, quick, super quick. I mean, you can throw scallops on and they're done within 5 minutes. If that. I don't even think it took 5 minutes for mine. Vegetables get a nice flavor. It's really unique. It's just a unique flavor that it's a very much a hybrid between cooking in a skillet and cooking on a grill using hardwoods or charcoals. You're going to get the flavor of those hardwoods or charcoals while getting the texture of cooking in a skillet. That's the best way I can describe it. I'm glad that I got my own, because when I left that product demo and after tasting the steaks that we cooked, I was sort of hooked, and now I'm kind of spoiled because I don't want to cook steaks any other way. If I can't cook them on the grill, I just don't buy them, or I won't cook them. That's just how it goes now. I highly recommend the product. If you get a chance to get your hands on one, pull the gun, go for it. You won't regret it. I find myself looking for ways to cook on it. It's not something you're going to do every day. However, I've made it into something that I usually do every day. It's just really easy. It's super easy to set up. I've built a fire pit with mine, so it's in a permanent spot in my yard for now because I'm not doing a bunch of camping or traveling. So most of my cooking is done at home at the house. It's just convenient for me, and the setup I have is convenient for me, but that's the great thing about it. It's not stationary. It's not something that's going to take up trailer space or truck space. It literally can fit under the back seat of a car if you wanted to. It's that compact. Super portable, super sturdy. I mean, it's stainless steel, welded up, and you're not going to break it. It's not going to break. You're not going to bend it. It comes with a lifetime warranty. If Godzilla decides to step on it, then you know what, lifetime warranty. But the chances of you messing it up, slim to none. It's going to be something that you're going to pass down through your family to your kids, and it'll become a family heirloom if you're a cooking advocate and you enjoy the outdoor cooking experience. It's a go-to product. I highly recommend it. Go get you one. That's all I gotta say.